In surds and indices, so I'll show some problems. You can see the questions this way. If you find any problems this type in examination point of view, no need of doing in lengthy way. For example, okay, let me show you one small example. If it is cube root of 4 means is nothing but 4 to the power 1 by 3. So cube root of 4 all to the power 3 or all to the power some 7. Then you can write up to cube root of 4 is 4 to the power 1 by 3. Again to the power 7 is there. That means 4 to the power 1 by 3 into 7. So 1 by 3 multiplies 7. So 4 to the power 7 divided by 3. You can notice one thing. This is the 7 and this is the cube root. So 7 is on numerator, 3 is on denominator in this fraction. So same pattern and same logic you apply here to find out these type of questions. So cube root of in the bracket again 8th root of in the bracket 5th root of this power 10, power 12, power 6. First within the middle part if you observe 6th root of 3 power 4. That part is 3 to the power 4, power 10, power 12, power 6. So if you write the short method is 3 to the so all the powers you can write on the numerator by the surds you can write the denominator. That means we can write this 3 to the power. So 4 multiply with 10 multiply with 12 multiply with 6 and divided by 6, 5, 8, 3. 6 into 5 into 8 into 3. Yes, if you simplify then you'll get the answer finally. So we can calculate 6 and 6 cancel. 5 times 2 is 10. Again 3 times 1, 3 times 4, 12. 4 2 is 8 cancel. Only 4 is left. So 3 to the power 4 is answer. That is 3 3 is a 9, 9 9 is a, so 81 is the answer for this. Same way you can apply this the same logic, same method for this. So these are the surds 6, 10, 8, 12 and 10, 4, 12, 6 are the powers to this main 5 as the base. Now you can take this is 5, then you can write all the powers on the numerator. Those powers are 10, 4, 12 and 6. Then denominators you can take as is surds 6, 10, 8 and 12 directly. Just simplify, you'll get the answer now. 10 10 get cancelled, 4 times 2 8, 12 12 cancel, 6 6 cancel. So finally 5 to the power 1 by 2 is left. That is square root of 5 or 5 power 1 by 2 itself is answer. Okay, so this is the way pattern you can use, and two more simple methods I'll show you in surds along with this. For example, if you observe any questions like square root of x plus square root of y plus 1 divided by square root of x minus square root of y. This answer you can take directly 2 into root x. So for example, root 3 plus root 2 plus 1 by square root of root 3 minus root 2. Not of taking rationalizing denominator, this is lengthy. We have to rationalize denominator and simplify. So instead of that, just you can take x and y. So which is the first value. This is the question is root 3 plus root x plus 1 by root 3. Okay, so both the plus only can take this. I will get cancelled. Yeah, the two. Okay, two formulas I'll show you. One plus and if it is a minus also one more. Now according to this question, if it is the plus root 3 plus root 2 plus 1 by root 3 plus 2 root again. So for this you can apply just only 2 into first value. 2 into root 3 is the answer itself for this calculation. And one more formula, square root of x plus square root of y, and if it is minus 1 by root x minus root y, yeah, plus you can take. Instead of this is the positive term and same plus but is minus here. That's the only difference. So for this you just take 2 root y is answer for this. Okay, then similarly plus or minus. Now if it is minus and minus, the answer will come with minus. There's only difference. You can analyze the problems in this way and you can show. So one example I'll show you for this also. If it is root 3 and not cube root, root 3 minus root 2, and set 1 by again root 3, say minus root 2. So for this answer you should keep the minus sign. Minus 2 square root of y. In the place of y is 2, no? So this. Okay, so these are the examples. So the main basic formulas, these two you can apply. So if any shortcut tricks, you can just use this simple technique in this way.